is up, you guys? Thank you for watching another video. Today I'm just going to review my Boomba bypass valve paired up with my cob intake, so you guys could see how that sounds. And difference that you get with the Boomba bypass valve compared to the stock one is that, well, first of all, it holds a boost a lot more better. So let's say you have it in S mode and you have it in D, like automatic, you're gonna have a lot more power throughout like the shifts. Is that you're just gonna hold boost a lot more better, and you're just basically just gonna go faster. And I have really noticed that compared to the stock one, because the stock one wasn't good at all, guys. So I really recommend getting one especially if you have a CVT. And not only that, but this thing sounds insane. I really like it. Even with just my cob intake, with my stock blow off valve or whatever, it sounded cool. But when I put this thing, it just sounds so much better. It just makes it that much cooler. So hopefully you guys enjoy. And if you guys are wondering if this one requires a tune, it doesn't. So that's good if you don't plan on modifying your car. But either way, you're going to have to get an intake for you to be able to hear the flutter sound. So it's up to you. But I did notice that with just stage 1 from cob, the car did pop like at 3,000 RPM without the burble tune, guys. So it wasn't super loud pops, obviously, but it was something, you know. So like I said, I really recommend, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video. My bad. I'm trying to record this with one hand and using the paddle shifters. It's not the best idea, but I need to get like a mount or something. As you guys could hear, the turbo sound is very pronounced. You know it's there, and you just want to hit it, you know. So, oh shit, skunk. Pops are ridiculously loud just with the muffler delete. If you guys haven't done so, make sure to get your burble tune from Brent Tuning. They do one hell of a job. and their E-tune is insane too. I'll put down the window so you guys could hear some of the pops to see if they rebound against the rocks. Alright, hold up. And now to put it to eco mode. Good to go. Anyways, if you haven't done some, if you're a new viewer, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'm really trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Like it up. You guys know what to do. Comment on things you guys would like to see, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.